Hello there YouTube, what's been going on? PhantomHax here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get started in Visual Basic coding. This is the coding language, which is one of the easiest, I think. So I'm going to show you how to just get started. I tried to make a video a second ago, as it says YouTube test up here, but I didn't really like that one. So when you open up Visual Basic or Visual Studio, I'm using 2013, and you just press New Project, and you might go ahead and start off on Recent or whatever, or All, or whatever it is. You go to Installed if you installed it all in Windows Forms application, and then right down here you can choose the location where you want all the files to extract. They're all in a folder, so don't worry about it taking up your whole desktop. I use the desktop. You might use a folder on your desktop or something. But I'm going to name this Phantom, like that. You can name it whatever you want. It's up to you. My battery is full. Alright, so once you open it up, it will show this. We're using a Windows Form application, by the way, for this tutorial, not a console application, which is like this. We're not making anything like this. We're making it an actual app that you can click buttons and play around. But once you do that, you should open it up, and this will show up. All you want to do is, if you want to have options, so you can just change up this right around here. Right click and properties on the form, and then all this will show up. This is where you start, basically. You just change up the text of up here. As you see, it says form 1. You change it to say Phantom. I'm a horrible typer. That looks stupid, but I'm a horrible typer. Right, so as you see, that's just the simple thing there. And you can play around with how you want everything to change up to. Like if you want the fore color, you can change that to blue. And it's, I'm messing up right now, but you get it. And you can change the color of the background right there. As you see, it's white right there. I could change that to black. And as you see, it looks different. But now we're going to show you how to add in buttons and just simple things. What you'll do is you'll go to View, and you'll go to Toolbox, and then it will show this little, or I just exited out. It'll show this over here. And you can just click on that, and then here's all your options that you can use. If I want to put in a button, I will double click on that, and here's our button that I just put in there. Alright, so I want to make it this big, and make it as big as the app, and resize your app, by the way, if you want to. You can make it that big, or however. Alright, so once you have that open, you will, you change the text up here, you're going to just click on that and go to text. As you see, this hits right now with button 1. I want to make that say click here. And you can't actually click there right now because you're in the making of the app. But if we would like to make it say like a message box when they click on it, we will double tap on this where it says click here. And then this coding will show up. That's already been added there for that button. You want to make it say message box dot show. Then you want to put these signs. You might have to put 2 of them if you're on an older version. And parentheses or whatever, which are parentheses. And then you want to make it say when they click on that, YOLO. Yeah, just YOLO. God, I'm horrible typing. Alright, so when they click on that button, a message box will come up across our screen saying YOLO. I will show you that now. Up here, you'll see there's a little, there might be an icon for older versions, I can't remember, but mine right here says start, and a play icon. And when you do that, your app will show up that you've made. Here it is right here. Got off Visual Studio. So as you see, I'll click here, it will come up across the screen saying YOLO. And you know, that's just some simple things, but if you want to play around with some other stuff here, let me resize the button. It doesn't matter if you resize it after you've already coded it. So let's go to Toolbox. We can look around at some of the stuff here, like I'm trying to get simple stuff. Text box. So here's a text box. So as you see, it's this size, and it doesn't have any text in it. So let's go ahead and make it say something in there like YOLO swag week. I didn't even spell swag right. See that? And alright, so if you would want to make it fatter, like so it goes down and stuff, you will go to here, font, and that's the font stuff. That's how you change that up too. It's slow right now. You will change the size of it to however you want it. I'm going to try out 18, and as you see, it made the box bigger, and there we go. So it's just something simple there. But if you would like to add in a button that will take you to another page, this is pretty simple too. I'm going to go ahead and just X out of the coding. We're going to make a button here. So we're going to put the button down here. And this is going to be like my last thing I'm going to show you before I go. How long have I been recording for? 7 minutes. Alright, so what we're going to make the button say is next page. And then, so when they click on that, it will take them to another page. Battery's about to die. So what you want to do is once you double click on that button, you're going to make it say form, or no, first we have to make project, and then add Windows form. And this is going to bring up another form like we made it here. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to make it just form 2 because that's easier. And there's what you've made. For the coding, you want to make it say for that button that you put the code in, form 2.show, and those 2 signs. And there you go. And then on that page I could just put a text box that says it worked. So when they click on it, or when they open up your app, as you see, it looks pretty interesting. Like you click there and it'll say YOLO, and you'll press the next page, and it'll open this up, and it says it worked. And you can play around with it to make it so they can't edit the text that you have in there, so they can't play around with it. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you out. It's just some simple things, so no hating, because I'm pretty good with coding, I guess. Not the best, but I think I'm good. But if you enjoyed this, if you're a beginner, please like this video, and if you can, please subscribe. It'll help me out. I only have 4 subscribers and 191 views. I think it's pretty good. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Alright, peace.